Hey guys, still not able to be there with you, but I wanted to kind of go over how to get to the lessons and how to find lessons. So I am in the page in Schoology, and you can't see this yet, it's not published, but you go to the lesson for the day and you will click on Monday. And once you've clicked on Monday, it will open. And I live in the country, so it's kind of slow. But you've got the first thing is going to tell you what you're going to be able to do. And then there's going to be an ed puzzle. Now, it's not working right for me from home straight through here. So you will go to ed puzzle and you will go to your class. So like if you're in first period, it looks like this. And it's got the date, the 13th, and you open this up and you watch this ed puzzle and answer the questions there. And it will grade it and give me the grade. And then once you've done your ed puzzle, then you're going to go down here and I have a PowerPoint. You click on that and make a copy of it. I'm going to make a copy. Again, I'm sorry, it's so slow. And this is just a little thing I was going to just go over with you. Just look through it. It's kind of interesting about the different groups of Indian tribes. And then you'll go down here and there's a reading. It looks like this. It's in Schoology. All you have to do is click on it and it opens. And this has information about the Caddo, Coatican, Karankawa, Wichita. And you're going to look at those and read through there with a partner. And then you are going to go back to Monday. You can also just right click and open these on, something's happened, hold on. I don't want materials, you want to be in the lesson. Sorry. Monday. You can always right click on these links so that you don't lose this page. And then once you've done the reading, I've made a slideshow for you. I think you have to make a copy of it. Click the blue words. Make a copy. It will look like this. Go to the top. And I've made a thing for you. I've got the name of the tribe here. And you're to look at that reading and fill out this information for each of the tribes on that page. Now you will use that PowerPoint all week. And once you've opened it and made a copy, it saves it into your class. And then after you finish filling out, just for those tribes for today that are in the reading, you can use this Texas Beyond History and look at some different features of the groups. And you're not going to present, just take some notes over it and keep it in your drive. And that's the little graphic organizer thing. And then there's 2 questions at the end. Choose one of these questions and then answer it here. You'll click there. It takes you to the lesson, and that's not working, so I'll fix that for you, but it should take you right to the page. I'm not sure why that's not working. Okay, and of course, if you have any hang-ups or need more help, you can always send me a message. I've been doing a lot of sleeping, so I may or may not answer immediately, but I will answer it as soon as I can. Okay, good luck with that. Work with a partner. And let's start getting this work turned in so that I can see what you're doing. Y'all have a good Monday.